Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechTechTuts, and today I bring you a very small information related to YouTube. You might or might not know this thing that during your video, if you are a content creator on YouTube, and if you say the word subscribe and repeat it sometime during your video and say it again that subscribe, 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 and if in the YouTube pick up the word subscribe properly from your voice, my accent is not actually natural to English, so that's why it might not pick the word subscribe. But if it pick it up, it will glow around the subscribe button, which is shown below on the left side under the channel name. So just give it a try and do it by yourself. Just upload your video and repeat this word subscribe, subscribe until you pronounce it and you see in which way it shows that circling rectangular on the subscribe button. There is a gradient overlay going around the button. Just give it a try and let me know that will did you know it already or did this thing work for you or not? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Take care and goodbye.